If you want to keep watching YouTube while using other apps, here's how to enable picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. Start by opening the YouTube app on your iPhone. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, go to Settings at the top right corner, and in the Settings menu, tap on General. Look for Picture in Picture and make sure it's toggled on. To use Picture in Picture for all videos including music, you will need a YouTube Premium subscription. Without Premium, Picture in Picture might only work for some videos or not at all depending on your reason. And once it's on, just start a video, then swipe up to go to home. If it's supported, your video will shrink into a floating window that you can move around your screen. So, if you don't see picture in picture working, check your YouTube settings and consider getting premium. It's the easiest way to watch and multitask at the same time. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.